Hey guys, it is Sandra here, and I'm still in the hospital, and I am actually making some big improvements. I had the doctors from the infectious disease group of doctors came and said my blood work is looking a lot better as far as infection in my blood or whatever, sepsis and stuff goes, and said my ear is looking better. So on his end, he thinks I'm getting ready to be discharged maybe tomorrow already. I have a few things of criteria I need to meet. One of them is getting all of those meds in pill form and being able to keep them down in my stomach, which has been an issue for me. I'm supposed to be meeting with my ENT, who was supposed to come here yesterday, and she never came here yesterday. And she said she was going to come today to see me, and she never came here today to see me. An ENT is an ear, nose, and throat doctor, so that kind of should be my main doctor, and for some reason she's not making it a priority to come in and see me. So today I asked if I could possibly get another doctor, and they said they didn't know if there was another ENT available for this hospital. So hopefully she comes in tomorrow, and it's going to kind of be up to her whether or not I can go. So then today I got some really bad news and totally threw me for a loop, and I'm so upset about it, and I'm probably more emotional than I normally would be just because of the situation I'm in, and I'm feeling very hopeless, and helpless, and I can't do anything. I literally cannot do anything. I can't be there. Mentally, I am not thinking straight. I am on so many different meds and antibiotics and pain meds and steroids and you name it, trying to make me better, and stress is the last thing I need. But earlier today, I got a call from my mom saying Clifford, the dog we're fostering, had cut his leg somehow in the backyard while he was going potty, and they had no idea how, and he was gushing blood. And I told her to take him to an emergency vet so they could assess the situation. I didn't know how bad it was. When she first called me, I thought, okay, he's going to need stitches or something. I didn't realize how bad it was. And then when he got to the vet, she said it was severed really badly, like on the back where a dew claw, it's like that back claw, like straight up. And she said it looked like something sharp, which my backyard is grassy, and then there's an area of rock, but there's nothing that should be sharp in my yard at all. So I'm just confused as to what's going on. So anyway, she said if we didn't decide in 15 minutes whether we were going to do surgical repair or not, that he would die, and he was losing a lot of blood. So I contacted the rescues really quick, and they didn't have the funds available to help. But luckily I did have one lady, this thing is bothering me, one lady offer to pay up front as a loan to help Clifford get the vet care he needed today, and then surgery and all that kind of stuff, and go from there. And then she said just set up like a GoFundMe site for Clifford, and I am just so stressed, you guys. This is like the last thing I need to be dealing with right now. It's like when it rains, it freaking pours, and I am just so emotional and upset, and I'm sick, and I'm swollen, and I'm missing my kids, and I just want to go home. But anyway, so Clifford had his surgery, and he severed a main artery and lost a lot of blood, and he severed 2 tendons in the back of the leg, and he has to be splinted for 4 weeks, which this is a dog that came from a bad situation, who's never been in a crate, and is terrified of it, and I don't know how this is gonna go, and I can't be there to help him, and I'm feeling overwhelmed at the moment. And I posted on Facebook, I had like a little rant, but like I felt like my family's finally seeing some of what I do on a day-to-day with the kids, with just the house and everything in general. And I think it kind of put into perspective that I feel a little taken for granted at times. So I kind of talked to my mom and I talked to my husband and expressed how I was feeling, because I don't ever ask for help, and that's something I'm realizing now with me getting as sick as I did get, is that I need to learn to ask for help when I need help, because I'm only one person and I can't run the world, you know? And I felt like I kind of broke today, and I'm sure a lot of it has to be with being cooped up here, and I just mentally broke today. And anyway, so the whole point of this is, I don't know what your thoughts are on it, but I'm going to just put it out there in case there is anyone out there that wants to help with Clifford, because it is over the scope of what the rescue has been able to do. Is I'm going to set up a GoFundMe account or something along that lines for his medical care. I ran out of space, but I will attach pictures of the vet bill so you know how much it costs, that you know I'm not lying. If I can get pictures of Clifford himself, nothing graphic or anything, but just to show you guys what's going on. And then if you guys want to donate anything to try to help with getting him better, because he's only one, and otherwise he would have been euthanized, and that's not right. He's had a hard life so far, and he deserves the very best. So I'm going to try to do it, but I could honestly use the help. And like I said, I decided today, when I personally need help, I need to reach out and swallow some of my pride and ask for help. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll probably be putting out some sort of fundraising campaign for his care up in the next, whenever I can get it up. I'm sorry, you guys, this is just totally not me lately. I'm not feeling like myself, and I just know once I get out of here I will be feeling much better. But so that's it. I'm asking anyone if you can help, even if it's just $1 or whatever. I don't know how it's going to get set up. There's a few different things like GoFundMe. Some of them don't have the extra added fee in there. I have to try to figure that out. I've never done it before. But first Parker gets the flu, and then I get this, and then Clifford gets that, and Jackson gets denied services, and it's just been really a crappy couple weeks. And my 2015 is not off to the best of starts. So, and the oxygen, I started having chest pain, so they put me on oxygen to try to help that, because my O2 levels dipped or something, and they didn't. This was before the whole Clifford incident, so I don't even know what that's about. But anyway, guys, that's kind of the update. So we'll have to see if I get discharged tomorrow or not. Oh, but I did have a friend stop by and visit, so I got some flowers. They came from out of town after they heard about Clifford and said, okay, we need to go visit Sandra, because I was kind of a little bit hysterical at the time. So anyway, guys, I'll try to keep you updated and see how it goes. The Wi-Fi here really stinks, so I don't even know if I can get this video up. But when the whole funding thing comes about with Clifford, I will make a separate video so that you guys know what that's about if you want to help. I am not saying you have to help at all. I'm just saying if you want to, it's going to be there, so that, you know, we can try to get this taken care of properly, because I don't know how you view your pets, but I kind of view them as kids, and they deserve it. So, and like I said, he's only one. He's got a long life ahead of him. So just a freak accident that he got into the garbage and there was broken glass in there. So, all right, guys.